Today we're trying out the Ambiano 5.5 litre air fryer. We picked this up from the Aldi store and paid $39.99. So this has a preheating function, 11 cooking programs and a 60-minute digital timer, and it has 2 memory slots so you can set your own programs. This is in a matte black finish and it's a square design. It's got the LED control panel, which is touchscreen. The preset programs include French fries, bacon, chicken, steak, cake, vegetables, fish, frozen food, prawns, bread and tofu. And it's also got features including shake reminder, keep warm and a delayed cooking start. The basket is dishwasher safe and it has a cool touch handle. And this also comes with a 3-year warranty. So let's get this out of the box and see what we're looking at. So this comes with the user manual. This is the parts, cleaning and the maintenance guide. It tells you how to use the features and the programs. And there's also a cooking table in here with some times, temperatures and quantities of various foods. So the air fryer looks really smart. It's a good size. It does have a fairly short cable on here. We've got the drawer that slides out using a slider switch to make it easier. And that drawer's a good size, holding up to 5.5 litres. Just on the top of the handle, you've got a release button so you can remove the basket from the drawer. Just taking a look at the size of that drawer. It's about just less than 22 centimetres across, a little more than 22 centimetres the other way, and from the bottom about 13.5 centimetres deep. Now when we plug it in, it goes into standby mode and we've got the power button just at the bottom. It does have a preset of 180 degrees and 15 minutes on there. You can use the menu button to scroll through the preset functions, and when you've got to the one that you want to use, press the start button. You can pause the cooking at any time with the pause or by sliding out the drawer. If you want to shake or turn your food halfway through cooking, when you've selected your program, simply press the shake button and the shake will display. And then halfway through the cooking time, it will remind you to shake or turn the food. And to use the delay start function, simply press the clock. You can adjust how long you want it to delay for. And then when you've chosen how many minutes you want to wait, press the start button. It will count down, and when it reaches 0, the cooking program will begin. If you want to set 2 programs into the memories, press the memory button and you can select either memory 1 or memory 2. You can set your preferred time and temperature, and then press and hold the memory button and that will be set into the memory. And to use the delay start function, simply press the clock. You can adjust how long you want it to delay for, and then when you've chosen how many minutes you want to wait, press the start button. It will count down, and when it reaches 0, the cooking program will begin. So I'm going to try this out today, cooking an extra large family size chicken, and let's see how it goes. So there we have it. That's the Ambiano 5.5 litre air fryer. I think that's got all the best functions of an air fryer, and it's pretty simple to use. It's done a fantastic job of cooking up that chicken. It's done it 30 minutes faster than my large oven would do it, and at a lower temperature. So much more efficient and economical to use. I think really good value for money. So we're going to add this to our Aldi finds and special buys playlist, and to our air fryers playlist, and hopefully someone's found that useful. Thanks for watching.